Alright, this is the second video on Twitter covering what we're doing in the first activity in the social media class. In the previous video, I showed you how to find classmates and follow them, how to create a Twitter list, and how to add people to that list. Well, we've already covered how to do a profile photo. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the second of two retweets, and to do a conversational retweet is what we're going to do here, and then I'll also show you how to change the design of your Twitter page. So first of all, a conversational retweet. So instead of just hovering over an update that you like, so here's Nancy about doing her social media class and doing a straight retweet. We're going to do a conversational retweet. And the way to do that is you can hit the little reply button. When you get the reply, you can take the information down below and actually copy that and paste that into the message. And I'm going to put an RT, meaning this is the retweet from Nancy. And I'm going to put a little message right in front of it. So, welcome to the class. A little dash and a retweet. As long as the whole tweet fits under 140 characters, it's going to let me to do it. So you want to make sure that you check your copy to make sure it doesn't run over. I have 14 characters left. I'm going to go ahead and hit tweet. And that's how you do a conversational retweet. To check to see if anybody has ever done this for you, you can check your little mentions area here just to see if you've been mentioned. So it looks like I got a couple of mentions, but they're more conversational in tone and not necessarily a retweet. Alright, back to my timeline. I'm going to show you how to change the design of your Twitter page. If you're not happy with the fluffy clouds that are in this background, Twitter has some different options for you. To change your settings on Twitter, in the upper right hand corner you want to do the pull down under where it has your name and go to settings. Once here, you can take a look at some of the tabs that are available that go over your information, and one of them is design. If you click on the design tab, it has some themes that are built in. So if you like to pick one of the different themes here, you certainly can. I'll go ahead and pick the one with the leaves here and hit the save changes. Now it just says it's been saved, and it's that easy. So once I get back out of here and go back to my home, as you can see, I now have the new background. You can do some extensive things with backgrounds, and this is a personal preference, whether you make it as pleasing as you want to yourself. You can upload your own photos, you can cascade them. There are other programs out there that help make Twitter backgrounds for you. And what it does is shows a little bit of different personality when people come to your page. In a professional setting, some people put actually business information on the wings of the Twitter account in case anybody's interacting with them. I tend not to put a lot of work into the design because you don't know how people are interacting with you. Are they looking in the timeline on their own computer? Do they bother to go to your account per se? Are they doing it in a mobile environment where the design means nothing? So you could do it for personal preference, but I wouldn't overthink it in a professional organizational setting.